Welcome to Lake Braies.
As you can see, this is a very popular lake, so if you wanna peace and quiet, probably come early morning. I would say 6-7. Now it's just 10:30 and there's lots of people, but it's still lovely. There's lots of space for everyone to enjoy it. And in regards to park your motorhome by the lake, there is P2, P3, P4 parking bays. We got here just about 10 o'clock and we were just lucky to get one space at P4 parking. We will show you later in the map. It is 20 euros for 3 hours, first 3 hours. If you want to stay longer, I think 24 hours is 45 euros for P4 parking. Every parking have a different fee system, so good to check when you're here. And arrive early or arrive really late, maybe after 4-5 o'clock, then you probably get a space as well.
I'm setting up my drone, guys. You'll see the views later. The walk around, all the way around Lake Braies, is also about an hour long. The views all around this lake are just spectacular. Have a look behind us.
It's a must. And apparently you can even swim in this lake, and yes, you can walk with your doggies around it as well. So why not?
On the walk around, there's quite a few stairs up and down, so get ready. Another thing that you can do here at Lake Braies is hire a boat to go and paddle around in. The cost for 45 minutes is 55 euros. And if you're going to walk around Lake Braies for a nice comfortable walk with views all around, plan at least 2 hours.